Carbon monoxide is a gas that has no odor or color. It will not make your house explode, but it can be very, very dangerous. It can cause serious illness or even death. You cannot hear it, see it, or smell it, but we can stop it. It comes from gas ranges, stoves, and your heating systems in your home. Don't be a statistic. Know the symptoms: headache, dizziness, weakness, nausea, vomiting, chest pain, and confusion. Make sure that all of your appliances are serviced. Get a carbon monoxide detector. Together we can stop this silent killer. Visit www.cdc.gov/co/FAQs. Let's stop carbon monoxide poisoning.